The moment you have a closed mind, the moment you have those preconceived notions, you're locked into that viewpoint. That's all you can see now with that preconceived notion. You can't see what else is out there. There's a lot else out there, guys. Hey guys, Matt McKeever here, and so it's a new year, and I figured what better way to start off the new year than to make sure that we all have the right mindset towards money. So, a huge part of financial independence involves accumulating a large sum of assets so you can live off of those assets or the income or the revenue those assets generate. So the question, is money evil? I think a lot of us already know the answer, or at least we think we know the answer, and that it's no. And I 100% agree with that answer, but that being said, even though we may say that out loud that no, money's not evil, a lot of us still hold preconceived notions or subconscious biases towards money.
Thinking that wealthy people or money or riches, that all equals greed and evil, and that only bad people get ahead, and only cutthroat business people will ever get ahead in the world, and always the good guy loses.
And so how do I think we get caught up in that mindset? Well, honestly, a lot of TV, a lot of pop culture, a lot of our media portrays rich, wealthy, well-to-do individuals as being greedy or evil. And that's really an unfair narrative. Money or wealth doesn't necessarily create a greedy person, and greedy people aren't always going to be wealthy. And for proof of that, hit that eye up there, and you can check out another video I did just last year where I discussed how greed will hold you back in real estate. How greed can actually cost you tens of thousands of dollars, and I used a real life example. So click that eye if you want to watch that video. But let's talk about today's video. And so I think the biggest mistake in regards to money comes down to these two, scarcity versus abundance. So the idea between scarcity and abundance is simply this.
Someone coming from a scarcity mindset, they're always concerned about every penny. They're pinching every penny. They're constantly looking over their shoulder. They're scared that everyone's trying to rip them off. They think that all rich people are evil, and they think all rich people are big fat cats that are evil and greedy.
And the abundance mindset is that there's enough out there for us all to share. There's enough out there for us to all win. It's just a matter of finding your niche, or it's just a matter of finding that special little advantage in order to accumulate your wealth so you can reach financial independence. And so just for those of you that still may associate money or wealth or riches with being greed or with being evil, and then inherently money is evil, I just want to walk you through a quick example. So money is really just a tool. I mean, it's a means of exchange, a measure of value. So let's look at some examples of tools and some preconceived notions people have towards them. Money equals greed. Computer equals hacker. That's one that a lot of us wouldn't say. A computer is a tool. Having a computer does not make you a hacker, but a hacker will have a computer. Same with gun equals murderer. You know, lots of people that aren't murderers have guns, and lots of people that use guns are not murderers. However, there are murderers that use guns. And so this is really just about having the mindset. It's not the tool that determines whether someone's evil or greedy. It really comes down to the individual themselves. It's not money that made them evil. It's not money that made them greedy. It's that they were greedy to begin with, or that they were evil to begin with, and money simply highlighted that or brought it more to the surface because they became more visible. So I'm hoping you guys agree with me. Jump in the comment section down below if you disagree with me, if you think money's evil. I'd love to hear your perspective on why. Also, I'm kind of surprised that you're watching a personal finance channel, but that's cool. Still smash that like button for me anyways. Otherwise, I just want to give you one little tip towards the new year. If you want to attract money, be open to it. Have an abundancy mindset. Instead of just automatically saying no to something, figure out a way to say yes. Reverse engineer the steps that you need in order to accomplish what you want. No one's just going to hand you it on a silver platter. You're going to have to build the steps and execute the steps in order to get what your dreams are. So, you know, maybe you didn't set your New Year's resolutions yet. There's still time. You don't have to wait till next year in order to take control of your financial lives. Start today. If you can't start today, start tomorrow. But just make those small incremental changes. Have an abundance mindset. Approach things with an open mind. The moment you have a closed mind, the moment you have those preconceived notions, you're locked into that viewpoint. That's all you can see now with that preconceived notion. And remember, money is simply a tool, a means of exchange, a measure of value. So if you want to attract money, create value. That's the biggest tip I can give to you. No matter what industry, no matter what field, no matter how you want to make your money, no matter how you want to do your side hustle, create value and you will attract money. If you create value, money wants to come to you. Trust me on that. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you're having a good 2018. Jump in the comment section down below and share with me, what are some of your money goals for 2018? What sort of changes or habits are you gonna make? Are you approaching 2018 with a scarcity or an abundance mindset? I think that's really powerful, and I hope you guys are using abundance rather than scarcity to approach 2018. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and check out my other videos that YouTube wants you to check out down below. Until next time, I'm Matt McKeever. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and until next time, remember, making money is a team sport. There's more than enough money out there for us to all make it, but if you're not saving it, guys, I mean, like, what's the point? Thanks. Bye! Woo!